about to make the devil's stomach acid. We got the juicy juice, orange juice, Country Time lemonade, orange blast drink enhanced, and then food coloring. And a shit ton of water. And why, you ask? Why the hell are we using a bowl? Because for some messed up reason, this thing is not big enough. You would think, right? No. Well, damn, the devil's got a big stomach. Okay. We're gonna mix it all together. See you in a minute. How did you get in my house? Well, you want me to make the devil's stomach acid? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Three quarters of a cup of juice. Is that it? Absolutely fucking not. About right? Alright. Into the water. 3/4 of a cup of orange juice. Obviously. Yeah. Shake it up. Yeah, shake it. Shake it. So at work, we've been going around asking people, and this is for you, Scott. Apples or oranges? Which do you like better?
Of course I like oranges.
There you go. A lot of people have been saying apples. I'm like, fuck you, oranges are better, man. I don't give a shit what anybody says. Oranges are better. Because who doesn't love a little bit of citrus? A little more. And then a 1/4 cup of vodka. No. All right. And then what did it say for the
teaspoon? 1 teaspoon of the Country Time.
Gosh damn, how do you open this fucking thing?
Yeah.
You just cut it down the middle, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Tablespoon.
Which side? This one or this one? Whichever one, same thing? Gotcha. That's good.
All right, now the other one, the flavor enhancer.
And how much is that?
2 tablespoons.
Gotcha.
Ooh.
I'll enhance your flavor. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'd buy that for $1. I'll buy that for $1. I wonder if that guy's still alive. Gosh damn. Damn, they weren't lying, man.
One more.
Oh, that's right, it's 2. Just cut me in the face. Should I use this? What made you want to do this?
For the fun of it?
I mean, yeah, but like where'd the idea come about is what I mean.
Just seeing other people do it.
And how much food coloring?
You're gonna have to eyeball it.
Don't you hate it when they put a bone in the middle of the ham?
Other drawer. That works.
Hussa! Dude, I do have a green finger. Alright.
Just a small amount and stir it.
About like that?
Stir it. Let's see what happens.
Go for it. This shit's really thick.
Oh wait, that might be good.
A little more. Right there. Let me see. Oh gosh, this looks like shit. This looks like shit.
Nope, that's right on target.
Is that what it's actually supposed to look like?
Mm-hmm. I want to clean your finger before it's green
That's
forever.
what she said. So I just, oh damn, look how green that is.
All right. Now let's pour it out.
Wait before.
How's it taste?
It needs butterscotch schnapps. No, let's not put that. Let's not ruin it. You got pitmaster privilege, brother.
Yeah, it's a reasonable approximation.
Do you think it needs something?
Well, I can't really add it right now.
What?
I think it needs vodka, but
Well, I mean, besides stuff like that, but I mean,
nope, I think we're dead on.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. I think it needs a little bit more lemonade.
That's about what Ecto Cooler tasted like.
I never thought that stuff tasted good.
No, no, but this is basically it. Nice with its puke green.
You ain't lying. You ain't lying, man.
All right.
I still want to do something a little bit more though. I'm just experimenting, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm doing it in this cup. I just want to see what it tastes like. I'm sorry.
You should try that by itself first.
I've had it by myself. Not like that. This is gonna be so gross. Hey, where's the cup?
How's the bride coming along?
We'll let you know shortly.
That's why I didn't do it.
All right, so success.
Oh yeah. Besides that, that's totally a success.
All right.
I love it. That.